So good morning. So welcome back. So it's 2024 and you want to learn how to write code. So I'm going to take you through a brief explanation on how you can do it and achieve your goals really fast. So point number one, I think it lies in picking a programming language. Yeah, at this point, I don't think you should be worried about what language you pick because right now you're just a beginner, and any language you pick out there can do beginner level stuff. So just pick your language, learn the fundamentals, and just get good at the fundamentals, the control flows, variable definition, and all that. After that step, now comes the tricky part where now you want to start building tutorials, where you want to start building projects. So the project phase is really tricky because one, you are a beginner, you don't know what to build, and two, when you start following along what other people are building, you will get stuck in the tutorials hell because one, you're building, your programming experience is not yet where it should be, and then you are following along somebody building their own project, the concepts, their thought, the thought process is theirs. So this is where most people get stuck in the tutorials. Yeah, you know how to copy a tutorial on YouTube. You can, when you are coding along with some YouTuber, you can really write good code, but then when given a project on your own, you get stuck. So what do you do at this stage? So at this stage, I would recommend you can go to a site like Udemy or anywhere where these projects are hosted, any learning platform. But then you pick a language, you pick a project that is written in the language that is not written in the language you are learning. So for example, let's say I was learning Java, I would come and pick this Go project and build it using Java. I follow the tutorial, so I follow the thought process and the idea of the teacher, but then the language is different. So let's say an example, you come and then you see like we want to set up our development environment. If you follow along with the Go language that the tutorial is being taught in, you'll find yourself getting really smooth and all that. But then when you try on your own, you get stuck. That is because you are following along just blindly. So what I'll do is I'll get this whole project written in Go, taught in Go, but if I'm learning Java, I will try and reproduce it using Java. And this is because one, programming languages, they are just tools, and two, I will have like an output where I can do references to. So let's say I want to I'm building a RESTful API, RESTful HTTP JSON API in Java. I will have a reference point where I can see and benchmark my output. So when I implement it in Java, is it behaving the same way the guy in the tutorial did his and all that? And if you do that, it will take you really a long time to learn, but you will learn the concepts of building this application and the concepts of programming, so that when you get to a point where you have a greenfield project or you have a project and you want to start from scratch, you're not afraid. And yeah, that is my advice.